The year 2026 also marks the India-France Year of Innovation. We will begin the event with the witnessing the virtual inauguration of the H-125 helicopter final assembly line at Vimagal in Karnataka, which has been set up by Tata Advanced Systems in partnership with Airbus. Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh and Her Excellency Ms. Catherine Vautron, the Minister for Armed Forces of France, are present at the venue. We begin with a screening of a short video in this regard.
जब फ्रांस की टेक्नोलॉजी और भारत का टैलेंट मिलेगा तो सिर्फ बिजनेस लैंडस्केप ही नहीं, ग्लोबल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा। I now request Prime Minister Modi and President Macron to virtually inaugurate this H-125 helicopter final assembly line by jointly pressing the button. We will now have live visuals from the site in Karnataka. This concludes the inauguration ceremony of the H-125 final assembly line facility. I would request the two leaders to return to their respective podiums.